you dreaming of a tropical getaway where the Atlantic Ocean is your backyard, but you don't want to break the bank? Welcome to the Holiday Inn Miami Beach-Oceanfront. Located at the heart of the world-famous Collins Avenue, this IHG property combines historic Miami charm with modern beachside luxury. Today, we are taking you on an inside look at why this specific hotel is one of the most popular choices for families, couples, and solo travelers heading to Florida. From the stunning pool deck to the direct beach access, stay tuned as we explore everything this oceanfront gem has to offer. If you're planning a trip to Miami, you won't want to miss this detailed review. The first thing you'll notice about the Holiday Inn Miami Beach-Oceanfront is its incredible location. Situated at 4333 Collins Avenue, it sits in a prime spot between the high-energy South Beach and the more relaxed North Beach area. This gives you the best of both worlds. The building itself is a beautiful 1950s Art Deco landmark that has been thoughtfully renovated. As you step into the lobby, you're greeted by a bright, airy atmosphere and a friendly staff that makes you feel at home immediately. The proximity to the Miami Beach Boardwalk is a huge plus. You can walk, jog, or bike for miles with the ocean breeze in your hair. Now, let's talk about where you'll be sleeping. The hotel offers a variety of room types, but the star of the show is definitely the oceanfront view rooms. Imagine waking up to the sunrise over the Atlantic. It is truly breathtaking. The rooms are designed with a clean, coastal aesthetic. You'll find plush, comfortable bedding that IHG is famous for, ensuring a great night's sleep after a day in the sun. Every room is equipped with modern essentials, a flat-screen TV, a dedicated workspace for digital nomads, a coffee maker, and high-speed Wi-Fi. The bathrooms are modern and stocked with premium toiletries. Whether you choose a king room or a double, the space feels functional and refreshing. Pro tip: always ask for a higher floor to get the most unobstructed views of the coastline. Moving outside, the outdoor space at this hotel is where the magic happens. The Holiday Inn Miami Beach-Oceanfront boasts a massive sparkling outdoor pool surrounded by lush tropical gardens. It's an oasis in the middle of the city. There's plenty of lounge seating, and the Tiki bar is right there to serve you ice-cold mojitos or sodas. But if you prefer the salt and sand, you are just steps away from a private beach access point. The hotel provides direct entry to the world-renowned Miami Beach sand. For those who like to stay active, there's a fully equipped fitness center on site. And don't forget the unique tropical garden. It's the perfect place to sit quietly with a book or enjoy a morning coffee away from the hustle and bustle. When it comes to dining, you don't even have to leave the property. The Paradise Café serves up a delicious variety of American classics and local Florida favorites. Their breakfast buffet is a great way to fuel up for the day. For a more casual vibe, the Blue Water Tiki bar offers poolside snacks and tropical drinks that hit the spot under the Miami sun. Because you're on Collins Avenue, you're also just minutes away from some of the best fine dining and street food in the world. Whether you want authentic Cuban sandwiches or high-end seafood, everything is within reach. If you are someone who enjoys exploring the local culture, the area surrounding the Holiday Inn Miami Beach is filled with hidden gems. Just a short walk away, you'll find small boutiques and local convenience stores where you can pick up authentic Florida souvenirs. For those who want to experience the famous Miami nightlife without the overwhelming noise of South Beach, this location is perfect. You can enjoy a quiet evening by the ocean or take a quick 5-minute Uber ride to the most exclusive clubs and lounges in the city. The hotel's concierge service is also outstanding. They can help you book boat tours, Everglades excursions, or even tickets to a Miami Heat basketball game. It's this level of service that truly elevates the guest experience from a simple stay to a memorable vacation. Beyond the immediate amenities, guests often rave about the accessibility of this hotel. You can easily catch a ride to the Art Deco District, Lincoln Road Mall, or the Windward Walls within 15 minutes. The hotel also offers convenient parking options for those who decide to rent a car to explore the Everglades or the Florida Keys. Safety and cleanliness are top priorities here. As part of the IHG Clean Promise, giving you peace of mind during your entire stay. Let's talk a bit more about the practical side of staying here. The hotel offers laundry services, which is a lifesaver for long-term travelers. There is also a 24-hour business center if you need to print out boarding passes or handle a quick work emergency. The elevators are fast, and the hallways are kept immaculately clean. For families traveling with children, the pool area has plenty of shallow spots, and the beach is perfect for building sandcastles under the warm sun. Many guests also appreciate the security measures in place, ensuring that only guests have access to the room floors and the private beach gate. It's these small details that make the Holiday Inn Miami Beach-Oceanfront a reliable and safe choice for everyone. So, is the Holiday Inn Miami Beach-Oceanfront worth it? Absolutely. In a city where oceanfront hotels can cost thousands, this property offers a premium experience at an accessible price point. You get the history, the beach access, and the reliable quality of an IHG hotel. It's perfect for those who want the Miami Beach lifestyle without the South Beach price tag. Whether you're here for a weekend getaway or a long vacation, this hotel delivers on its promise of comfort and convenience. Every sunset here feels like a personal gift. And the sound of the waves crashing against the shore is the best lullaby you could ask for. Many visitors return year after year because the value for money is simply unbeatable in this area of Miami. As you plan your next Florida adventure, keep this oceanfront oasis at the top of your list. Thanks for joining us on this tour. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to The Worldly Traveler for more hotel reviews, and comment below. Would you stay here on your next Miami trip? We look forward to seeing you in the next video as we continue to explore the most amazing travel destinations around the world. Safe travels!